So Andres Guardado was murdered by the LA County Sheriff's Department last month. And look at this. The FBI is monitoring the investigations into a Los Angeles County Sheriff's Deputy Sheriff's Department fatally shooting 18-year-old Andres Guardado last month. Because guess what? He was shot in the back 5 fucking times. That doesn't just say cold-blooded fucking murder. I don't know what does. And, there's also some evidence from the body shop owner where Andreas worked as a security guard that the cops actually destroyed, like, the security cameras, took those away, broke into the body shop, and they came back with the warrant after, like, to kind of cover their tracks, basically. So we'll read the article. I would show the video, but I've gotten a couple of copyright infringements before for doing that, so we'll just, maybe we'll show it later. An independent autopsy released by the family of a teen who was killed by Los Angeles County Sheriff's deputies last month in Gardena indicates he was shot in the back 5 times. The controversial shooting of the 18-year-old Andres Guardado occurred on the evening of June 18th in the 400 block of Redondo Beach Boulevard. The law firm representing the family Wednesday released the results of an autopsy which was conducted independent by forensic pathologist Dr. Bennett Umalu on June 26. The results of the independent autopsy, which include a graphic photograph, appears to indicate that Guardado had 5 gunshot wounds to his back. He also had a graze abrasion on his left forearm. He had no drugs or alcohol in his system, toxicology results determined. The official autopsy, which was conducted by the LA County Coroner's Office, remains sealed. You wonder why that is. Maybe because they're trying to hide the fact that he was shot in the back 5 fucking times in cold blood by this fucking sheriff's deputy. It has been 20 days since Andres was tragically gunned down by a Los Angeles County Sheriff's deputy, said family attorney Nicholas Yoka in a statement. We're once again imploring the Sheriff's Department to step forward, release the medical examiner's autopsy report, do the right thing by his family. And so that's a little diagram of goddamn, dude. You're running away from the cops. Back is turned. You're not posing a threat. You get shot 5 fucking times as a result. Goddamn. So, it's like, and then the bootlicking, cop defenders say, well, he shouldn't have been running and that wouldn't happen. That's like, okay, then you turn around, he's gonna get shot anyways. He was gonna get shot, murdered no matter what he fucking did. For fuck's sake, it's disgusting. It's disgusting. On the night of the shooting, deputies patrolling in the area said they saw Guardado flash a gun and then run south between 2 businesses. Deputies gave chase after a short foot pursuit. Guardado was shot. He died at the scene. He was shot in the back. Guardado was working as an informal security guard for the freeway auto body shop at the time. According to the Sheriff's Department, deputies recovered an unregistered gun loaded with a large capacity magazine. They also say he was not licensed and was not wearing a uniform. However, his family has repeatedly disputed the claim that he was armed. And again, it's messed up to say, but I frankly wouldn't put it past them planning some type of gun to justify this murder. We've seen this time and time again in police departments all across the United States where the cops will, frame people, plant evidence to justify their crimes, or, plant evidence in order to lock up people that they want to get behind bars. According to the family and best friends, he did not own a gun, did not have a gun, did not have access to a gun. Attorney Adam Shea said at a June 30 news conference. The family also claims witnesses told them Guardado was running from deputies when he was shot, again, which clearly backed up by this independent autopsy. 5 shots in the back. For fuck's sake, dude. For fuck's sake. The family is demanding that security video for nearby businesses be released, further complicating the issue. The LA County Sheriff's deputies do not wear body cameras. How convenient. And even if they did, you would have guaranteed that shit would have been turned off when they murdered Guardado. The department is purportedly going to begin equipping its deputies with body cameras later this year. Oh, thank you so much. I mean, goddamn. In a virtual Compton City Council meeting on June 29th, LA County Sheriff Alex Villanueva said his investigators are still following leads from potential witnesses, cannot release any reports until those are complete. Again, they're just trying to cover their tracks as much as possible to justify what clearly seems to me shot 5 times in the back, fucking cold-blooded murder of Andres Guardado by this LA County Sheriff's deputy. It's disgusting. Can't be made public until all witnesses have been identified and been interviewed. Otherwise, we're going to taint their testimony. We're going to have a compromised result, Villanueva said. LA County Board of Supervisors has voted unanimously to pursue an independent review of the investigation. Meantime, the FBI is monitoring the LA County Sheriff's Department's investigation of Guardado shooting's death. And let's just check out some of the comments because I saw some pretty good ones with what I was talking about at the beginning. He was executed. Yeah, I mean, I tend to agree, frankly. Wait, where's the replies? Should be more than that. Oh, well, maybe not. But yeah, so when this story originally came out, you can research it yourself, but like I said, the owner of the body shop where Guardado worked at said that the cops destroyed all the security cameras that were outside the body shop that would have, corroborated that Guardado was running away, didn't pose a threat, broke into the security office, I think took the, digital video recordings, the DVR recordings from the security cameras, and then came back later with a warrant to cover their track. So it's pretty clear to me from everything that I've seen and heard, this was a cover-up by the LA County Sheriff's Department to try to protect this deputy who murdered Guardado in cold blood, and it's sickening and it's disgusting. Defund the police, invest in programs of community uplift that actually address the root causes of crime, and may Andreas rest in peace. Sending good thoughts and well wishes to his family. What can I only imagine just be just a horrible time and feeling right now with having Andreas murdered. It's disgusting.